you like to order?
はい。肉じゃがお願いします。
I'm sorry, I don't speak Japanese.
I would like to order 肉じゃが。
Huh?
Japanese don't just eat sushi all the time. Nikujaga is a comfort food. Nikujaga is a very common food that moms make and it's often called ofukuro no aji, meaning mom's taste.
Can you show me how to make it?
Absolutely! Show me your kitchen.
To make nikujaga, we'll need beef, carrots, potatoes, onion, soy sauce, oil, and sugar. So now we're going to cut the ingredient into pieces. I have beef. What if I don't have beef or I don't want to use beef? That's fine. If you don't have beef, you can use pork or chicken or any other kind of meat. So I'm gonna cut the beef into smaller pieces. So it's up to you. The size is up to you, but I like smaller pieces, so I'm gonna make it a little more smaller. Now I'm going to cut the vegetables. So again, the size is up to you. Some people want bigger, some people want smaller, but I like smaller pieces, so I'm gonna make this size of potato. Now, carrots. Now, the onions. Cut in half first. You can take these parts. The onions, you don't have to make it so small. You can just slice it thin like this. Okay, that's done. So I'm going to fry vegetables first. I'm going to fry carrots first. You have to start frying with the harder vegetables. Carrots are really hard vegetables, so it's gonna take longer than the other vegetables. And now add potatoes. Now, onions. And the beef. So you don't need to worry about cook them completely at this point, because I'm going to add water and cover with aluminum foil, and I'm going to steam it. So don't worry. When you see the beef's color change like this, I think it's done. So now add some water. And I'm going to add some sugar. If you like it sweeter, you can add more. And now put some soy sauce. So use aluminum foil and use it as a lid. Like this. So this is called otoshibuta in Japanese. Okay. Doing this way, all the ingredients are covered in the water, right? Water and the soy sauce and sugar. So the water will evaporate, but it's not going to evaporate like when you're using the normal lid. So this is called otoshibuta. If you have a normal lid, you can still use it, but if you use this technique, then nikujaga will taste even better. Wow, that's interesting. Now I'm going to open it. I think it's done. Now it's time to put it into bowls and serve it. Now it's ready. I'm going to put it into the bowl. Here we have it. This is nikujaga. It's how it looks. Wow, this is amazing.
You should try to make this. I'm sure you'll love it. And also, those of you watching the video at home, you guys should try it. You will love this recipe. It's easy to make. If you like this recipe, click on the like button. If you made this recipe, click on the I made it button and add your pictures. I would love to see how your dish came out. And if you like me, Azumi,